How can one make a difference? One father, one sister, one neighbor, one thread, woven together with incredible care and precision, bound together by a common purpose, protecting the men and women who risk it all every day. We take fibers and turn them into some of the strongest fabrics in the world. The fabric that protects the firefighters, the linemen, the oil and gas workers, and soldiers around the world, all kept safe by the hands of a mother, an uncle, or a grandfather. TenCate Protective Fabrics, made for life.